Hi children, welcome to the digital class. Today we are going to learn an interesting lesson which is a need for everyone. Yes, that is money. So today our topic is money and banking. Today our topic is money and banking. In this lesson you are going to study about barter system, how the money was evolved, and before how the people are managed without money and they satisfied without money, and banking system and what are the services provided by the banks. Students are able to understand the barter system. Students learn about banks and their uses in our day-to-day life. Students learn the importance of online banking system used these days. They will be able to open a savings account on their own, and students come to know about different types of transactions that banks are involved with. Before discussing money and banking, we will see barter system. What is barter system? Barter system is the exchange of goods directly against other goods without the use of money. Now also in most of the villages barter system is exist. Now let us see some example. In Adilabad, in some of the villages, children exchange their toys made up of with bamboo with the grains, and blacksmiths, they also exchange blades of plows or wheels of bullock cart with the grain after every harvesting. Not only that, potter makers also they exchange their pots with the farmers after every harvesting. Okay. Now let us see what are the difficulties in the barter system. If more than two persons and their needs are different, barter system will not be possible. See here children, here person A is having paddy and B is having jowar and C is having a goat. Person A, he wants to exchange his paddy with the C because he wants goat, but C does not want paddy, he wants jowar, and the person B, he wants to exchange paddy with the jowar. So, in such a case barter system will not be possible. People are not willing to exchange perishable commodities with the durable goods. Perishable commodities means what? These commodities will spoil soon, like fruits, vegetables are known as perishable commodities. So, people are not willing to exchange with the durable commodities. The things which are not divisible. A person is having goat and he wants to exchange with the matchbox. Is it correct exchange? No, because the goat is not divisible, because he wants to buy only a small item, that is matchbox. So, he cannot give a part of goat, and they require more space and maintenance. In the barter system, grain and cattle is used in the form of exchange, and they require more space, and these will spoil and these were attacked by the diseases. The things which were difficult to transport and stock. If they want to carry on trade with the other countries or other places, so they have to carry most of the grains in a trucks or lorries, etc. These are the difficulties in the barter system. Then what is the solution for the problem? Yes, that is the evaluation of the money. What is money? Money means everyone which are accepted, and money plays a significant role in the society. It plays a unique role, and most of the people and the government are accepted, and we cannot imagine a society without money. So, money means which is accepted by everyone, and the society needs money for variety of transactions. People used metallic money in the form of gold, silver, bronze and nickel. In the next stage, coins were used, and it was followed by the paper currency. These were the different coins and paper currency which were used. Let us see what are the advantages of money. We can store easily, we can transport easily, it can be divisible, and these are scarcely available. Here we can store money easily, we can transport money easily, and it can be divisible. And what are the problems of money in early days? That was the quality of the metal, weight of the metal, purity of the metal, and duplicate metals are also made. Every transaction, the weight of the metal has to be weighed, and always the traders were suspicious of the purity of the metal. To solve these problems, the rulers of the kingdoms came up with a system of minting coins with standard size, weight and purity from the royal mint. And whatever the coins printed in the royal mint, these were having a purity and proper weight. In the Roman period, Byzanth, a gold coin was the standard currency. In the Mauryan period, Pana, a silver coin was the standard currency. In the Gupta's period, gold coins were in use. Okay, now let us observe some of the coins of Indian rupees. In 1862, these two coins, and the Indian rupee in 1905, 1947, observe these coins, children. People who carry on trade with the other countries, they have to carry lot of coins with them. These are not safe also. So, for this purpose, people look into the safe places. So, they went to blacksmiths to keep their money, and they think that they would be protected their money. So, for this purpose, goldsmith charge some amount to keep them coins safe and make them available whenever they want. People carry on trade with the other countries, they have to carry most of the coins with them, but these were not safe for them. Traders kept their valuables with the goldsmiths, their money would be protected. For this purpose, goldsmiths charged some amount to keep the money safe whenever they want this money available to the traders. Goldsmiths also give loans to the traders. They gave loans and had branches in many cities, leading to a new system of paper money or hundis. The early bankers in India were Jagatses of Bengal, Shahs of Patna, Chettiars of Madras, �ฤζη of Surat. These were the early bankers in India. Let us see the emergence of the banks, how the banks came into existence. Now, let us see the emergence of banks. Amsterdam was a major trading center in Europe. There were 846 gold and silver coins were recognized by the government. Look at these pictures. Amsterdam, which was a trading center in Europe. Amsterdam is located in Netherlands. Banking. Banking plays a very important role in our day-to-day life. Banking is a business activity where money deposits are collected from the public and these deposits are transferred from one person to another person. This is inside bank and people are depositing their amount in one counter and they are taking out money from the other counter. There are various banks operating in India. This is the cash counter where people are depositing their amount. Cash deposits, savings deposits or savings account, basic saving bank deposit account, small account, current account and fixed deposits. These are all cash deposits. We can withdraw amount from the saving deposit at any time. It carries less interest. Next, basic savings bank deposit, that is BS, BDA. It is zero balance account. There are no restrictions regarding age, income, amount, etc. Maximum 4 withdrawals allowed including ATM. And Prime Minister Jan Dhan Yojana also comes under the BSBDA. What is this Prime Minister Jan Dhan Yojana? Prime Minister Jan Dhan Yojana, it was a mega scheme which was introduced by the Indian government in August 2014. What was the main aim of introduction of this scheme? Every poor person is access to credit and they have to open a zero balance account in the banks. For this purpose, Indian government is giving 1 lakh accident insurance and it provided overdraft facility also. Small account, it is opened on the basis of KYC. KYC means know your customer, valid for a period of 12 months. Total credit should not exceed 1 lakh rupee and maximum balance should not exceed 50,000 rupees. Cash withdrawals should not exceed 10,000 rupees per month. And this small account is extended more 12 months if a person is submitted valid documents. Current account, it is used by industrialists, business people and a group of people carry on in a daily basis. There are no restrictions on deposits and the withdrawals. Transaction can be made by the way of checks. Bank does not pay any interest, in fact it collects the service charges. Fixed deposits are also known as term deposits. Once the deposited money cannot be withdrawn from the bank for a fixed period of time. The rate of interest is also high for the fixed deposits because people deposit the amount in a fixed period of time, say that is 1 year, 2 years, 5 years and 7 years, and the interest rate is 6 to 12%. How does the banking system work? So, by checks and the DDs we will discuss now. So, what is a check? Checks are used to transfer money from one account to another account. See the check, children. Here we have to write the name and in this box how much amount you want to transfer his or her account, and here you have to write it in words and here you have to put signature and date here. And observe this now, children, here 2 crossed lines are there and account payee. What is this account payee? If this is right on the check means directly we cannot take the amount from the counters, but this check should be keep in the bank itself or personal account itself. Coming to the demand drafts. If we want to make payments to the organizations or you applied a college or university So, in advance we have to pay the fee. So, in such a case we are using DDs. Banks collect service charges for the DDs. See here children, this is demand draft. DD means demand draft. Now, what is the difference between a check and DD? Checks can be returned back because of insufficient funds in your account, but DDs cannot be returned back because already we paid for the demand draft. Banks has to pay salaries to its staff and maintain equipment, etc. For all these purpose, how does the banks gets its income or revenue? By giving the loans. By giving the loans, banks will get some interest. So, this is the revenue for the banks. Coming to the loans, banks give loans to people and government. See here children, here the people are deposit in the bank and the banks will give loans to various purposes. Coming to the types of loans, banks will give education loan. What is education loan? Students, those who want to study higher education in the foreign countries, so banks will give loan to the students. And housing loans, if anybody wants to buy a house, he has to keep plot papers in the bank as a security and they will get the loan, and this will be repay in a EMI option. What is EMI? Equi-monthly installment. Next, agricultural loans are also given by the banks. Mostly these agricultural loans are given in the rainy season to buy the seeds, fertilizers and the pesticides. What is the security for the agricultural loan? The security is the harvest only. After every harvesting, they sell their products and they return back their loan. Coming to the business loans are given for the people those who establish a new industries or to expand their business activities, the business loans are given. Personal loans for various purposes, that is marriages, or if you want to go to tour, you can take the personal loan. And vehicle loans, if you want to buy a two-wheeler or the four-wheelers, and you can get the loan for the vehicles, and these all loans are written back by EMI. And another loan, that is the self-help group. Self-help group means a woman in the village, 10 to 20 members, they form a group and they take the loan and it is divided by the all the members. Coming to the internet banking. Banking activity is being done with computers, internet and other electronic means of communication is known as internet banking. So, what are the things we carry on through the internet banking children? We have to pay bills and we can buy and sell the products in internet. Everything is done nowadays through the internet banking only. What are the advantages of internet banking? We can save time, we cannot stand in long queues, and paper also save, and traveling also we can save the time. We can pay the bills and transfer funds from one account to another account in just few clicks. Coming to the digital payment app options, that is NEFT, we can transfer any amount of money from their account to another account. RTGS, it is the real time gross settlement. It is used for high value transactions, that is more than 2 lakh rupees we can transfer money through RTGS. IMPS, that is immediate payment service, instant transfer through mobile handsets, internet banking or through the ATMs. We can withdraw, we can transfer money from one account to another account. Customer must have his mobile number linked with his bank account. We can utilize this IMPS service throughout the year, including on bank holidays also. This is the ATM machine, children. Do you know, children, how to take out money from the ATM? Let us watch a small video. Okay. First, we have to insert the card. So, our transaction is being processed, we have to wait. Now, select the language. So, that is English. Press English button. Next, continue and enter the PIN number. Children, you should not show your PIN number to anyone. Press continue button. Next, withdrawal. How much amount you want to withdraw, that you have to press. And account type you have to select, whether it is a savings account or current account. Okay, if it is incorrect, again we have to press. So, we have to wait till the transaction is carried on. Take out your card. Don't forget to take out card and take your money from the ATM. Next, we will discuss about the UPI. UPI means Unified Payment Interface. We don't require details of the person like name, address, account number, etc. Only VPA is required. What is VPA? Virtual Payment Address or Aadhaar number is required, and Aadhaar number is linked with the bank account. Coming to the BMAP. What is BMAP? Bharat Interface for Money is an app which makes easy and quick transactions using UPI. Coming to the USSD, that is Unstructured Supplementary Service Data. It is a mobile banking service based for small value transactions. It can be used on all mobile phones, including basic feature mobiles. We don't require internet facility. Coming to the RuPay cards. National Payments Corporation of India has launched the RuPay cards, and Prime Minister Jan Dhan Yojana are also eligible for RuPay cards. Coming to the IFSC, Indian Financial System Code. Each bank has a special 11-digit code. First 4 alphabets indicate bank code and remaining numbers indicate the branch. For better understanding and to improve your learning by answering these questions. What are the difficulties in barter system? How can money solve these problems? Prepare a table showing where barter system is still exist in your village. What is the difference between savings account and current account? What are the benefits of internet banking? Security precautions are necessary for an ATM to work. Children, let us do one project. Visit a bank and observe the bank employees and their work. Observe how money is deposited in one counter and withdrawn from other. And observe the manager cabin. Invite a local bank employee to the school and learn various activities of bank. Make a list of activities done by the bank which you observed. Solve the worksheets and download the worksheets from SIET. Children, I hope you better understood money and banking. Let us meet in another session. Thank you.